Okay, so here we are, day 2 of this project. I may have lied a little bit yesterday. I said that I was going to put the gasket back inside of here. I was misinformed, and there's a whole lot more to this piece than I found out, or than I originally expected. As you may have seen, there were other gaskets, or there was another gasket. I have everything here in the jar right now. There is... Let's see, so we have the speed bleeder gasket, this large gasket that I could not, this large gasket here that I could not find a place for originally, and a spring. I couldn't see where the heck those went. I know now, they go over here. Big gasket here, spring under here. So if you look at the other video that I posted, inside of here, this was sitting in here, and I could not get that thing out. It just wouldn't come out. So I went online, did some research, because what I was seeing didn't look anything like what they were showing. So what I actually ended up having to do is, this whole piece was like this, that down under here, this piston was all the way up inside of here. I took an extension for my socket wrench, it's the 1/4 extension, and it actually fits. It actually fits beautifully right down in that hole. You can also use a Robertson screwdriver. That's the square head screwdriver. But this is a little bit bigger and a little bit rounder, so I figured it would fit in there a little bit better, and not put quite as much impact pressure on the side, because if you see, when you're driving that down inside of there, it actually pushes on the back of that piston, and we don't want to damage that. So if you have to, you know, go ahead and use a hammer. I had to use the hammer here, and again I used the 1/4-inch socket drive extender to push these two apart. I actually set the whole thing on top. Here, I'll show you. I set this whole thing on top of two wire brushes like this. I separated it like that, so that there's a little bit of a gap underneath, and then I just tapped it through, and then I held it in my hand, and I just held it here like this, and then just tapped the socket extender down here. It's a pain in the butt if it's old, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean these out. You can see inside of there, it's not exactly great, so we'll get that cleaned out, get a new spring on here, get a new socket or gasket here, and then we'll get it all put back together, and hopefully when it all fits back together, it should go pretty nicely. At least easier to put together than it was to take apart. So we'll get her cleaned up, and then we'll go again.